Hello everybody, welcome to my fifth tutorial video on C++ programming language. In this tutorial we are going to be talking about loop. Loop is a part of our control structure that enables us to repeat a block of code several number of times. This is it. We need a loop to repeat a single statement at our chosen number of times. So let's start with the declaration of our loop. In order to declare our loop, is either we declare our variable or our function. In this case, we are going to be talking about our function and importing our loop inside our function. I taught you how to use our loop in my previous video on function. So in order to declare a function, if you can recap, we need our data type, the name for the variable for the data type, our our parentheses and our curly brace. Let's declare int, and the name for the variable, let's just give it for loop. Okay, so our parentheses, then our curly brace. So inside our curly brace is where our statements of code, or is where we test our loop. We are going to be talking about our while loop. While loop is a type of conditional and also a loop that tests a condition if true it executes a line of code. But in this section we are going to be executing a line of code in respect to the number assigned to it. So before that, we need to declare a variable which is going to hold what we are going to loop. Let's just control. Okay, let's just declare a int number. Okay, int number, let's assign a value of 10. Okay, let's terminate it there. So this is where our while loop. In order to declare our while loop, we type the keyword while and our parentheses. Inside this parentheses is where our condition is being stated. While number is lesser than 20, do this. Okay, see out. Okay, see how this is your number. So we call our number, then our end line to terminate the process. In this case, we have to tell our compiler how it is going to arrange the sequence. Maybe it is going to increase it by one increment of one, which we all know we use our plus plus. That is our number plus plus, then terminate it. So we know our function, our hint, our other data type has a return value. So we have to assign a return value for this. Return number. Okay, so in order to be able to execute this on our console window, we have to declare our function name for loop. Then okay, yeah, and then we run. Oh, I hope nothing is wrong with it. Okay, so it tells the program to start its loop from 10. Since the condition is not met, or since the condition is not met, so it starts from 10, 11, 12, 13 till 17, since it is still lesser than 20. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.